Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you guys how we take this oak. What oak is this? I think it's a willow oak. Just show you guys how we take it down. So let's look at the tree. So this is the tree right here. Right underneath the communication line. Over here. There's a pretty, not that crazy big, but good size oak tree. So, so we got the 83, and Bill will be doing the cutting. Alright, so yeah. Alright, come on, let's get it. This is Chan. Already eating snack. Just see that? And we got the loader. And this is our dumpster right here. We're gonna be putting everything in here. And let's go. Alright, this is what we're gonna be using. Blocks, some other pulleys, putter wrap, rope. We got another boat rope. And that's my chainsaw. So this is all we're gonna need to rig the stuff later. We use the loader, wrap all the limbs. No need for a lot of manpower. Then we just drop it in the dumpster. There you go. Alright guys, so it's lunch 11 now, close to 12. Got it, all that's left is the trunk, so we gotta finish it after lunch. Let's go. Alright. Alright, so we are done. You can see the tree is gone. Now actually we have to stump grind it, so decent size. Alright y'all, so job is done. Stump gone. Everything gone. Looking nice. See that? Earlier the tree was right here. But it's gone now.